Himachal Pradesh. It is a paradise for every natural lover. In this difficult mountain terrain, we can experience amazing scenic beauty and serene landscapes. This is the road leading to Kasol and Tosh from Malana.
Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could.
Flowing through Parvati Valley, River Parvati is one of the major attractions in Kasol.
Then took the other as just as fair.
Situated at an altitude of 2,590 meters, Tosh village is popularly known as the land of wanderlust. It is a place suitable for budget travelers. There are many budget cafes and restaurants. It offers cheap stay and food besides high-speed internet connectivity to attract youngsters from IT profession to take advantage of their work from home facility. We have taken a break at Guns N' Roses, a cafe operated by few enthusiastic airlines.
എൻ്റെ പേര് നാഫി.
നാട്ടിലെവിടെ സ്ഥലം?
തൃശ്ശൂർ.
ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ മലയാളികളൊക്കെ ധാരാളം വരാറുണ്ടോ?
ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ വരും.
പരിപാടിയാണ്.
നേപ്പാളിൽ ഓപ്പൺ ആക്കാനുള്ള പരിപാടി ഉണ്ട് കാഠ്മണ്ഡൂര്.
ഒരു കാര്യം അവിടെ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞങ്ങളെ അറിയിച്ചാൽ
നമ്മുടെ പേജിലെല്ലാം അപ്ഡേഷൻ
പേജ് ഏതാണ്? ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം
_N__Rose.
ഫാമിലിന്റെ ഒരു അക്കൗണ്ട് എന്നല്ലാണ്ട് അതിൽ കൂടുതൽ നമ്മളൊരു മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് ഒന്നും ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ ഈ സഞ്ചാരി അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ഈ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയയിലൊന്ന് കയറി ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യാനും സ്റ്റാഫില്ല. അവർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് നമ്മളിവിടെ വന്ന് അവര് നമ്മളെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത്.
Pretty fabulous. I've been to Kutla waterfalls, not up there, but it was pretty place. This is my second time I came to Tosh. The last I came was in June, so I stayed for 8-9 days. Now this time I'm staying for like around. I've been traveling all over India. I've just come back from Africa also. So people handling, I love talking to people, to be very honest. So I talk to everybody. If I don't like the vibrations of somebody, I don't talk to them. But touch wood, God's grace, I never met anybody wrong, doing anything harm. Here and there we meet people, you know, there is good, there is bad also. There is truth, there is lie also. So yeah, we meet, but handle.
So how do you manage your expenses?
I'm an event manager. I'm into public relations.
Okay.
So I've been working with Odisha government from last 2 years.
I took the one less traveled by.
अभी आगे
आगे चलो, सीधा ही चलो, एक ही रास्ता.
Difference.
മലയാളികളാണ്. എത്ര മലയാളികളാണ്? നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ? നാട്ടിലെവിടെ സ്ഥലം? പാലക്കാട്. ഒരുപാട് മലയാളികളുണ്ട്. എവിടെ താമസിക്കുന്നത്? ഇവിടെ മറ്റേ മലയാളികളാണ്. ഗണ്ണൻ റോസസ്. അച്ഛാ, കൊട്ടില എവിടെ? മിസ്റ്റീരിയസ് കൊട്ടിലാണോ? എവിടെയാണ്? അച്ഛാ, നമ്മള് അവിടെ താമസിക്കാൻ പോയാ. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? 2-3 മണിക്കൂർ എടുക്കുക പോവാൻ? സുഖമായിട്ട് കയറും. അങ്ങനെ പറയും.
നന്നായിട്ട് തിന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. കേറുമ്പം തന്നെ വലിയ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരിക്കും. ചിലപ്പോ ഇനി ഇറങ്ങുമ്പോ ഇങ്ങനെ ഉരുളം കല്ലുകളൊക്കെ തെന്നിപ്പോള്ള ചാൻസ് വളരെ കൂടുതലാണ്.
നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ സ്റ്റേ?
ഞങ്ങള് 10 ഗ്രാമിലായിരുന്നു ഏറ്റവും
റിട്ടേൺ അവിടെ എങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുന്നതിന് അടുത്ത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട്
ചണ്ഡീഗഡ് പോയി. കസോളിൽ നിന്ന് ചണ്ഡീഗഡ്, ചണ്ഡീഗഡിൽ നിന്ന് ഫ്ലൈറ്റ്.
മലയാളം ഒറ്റയ്ക്കുള്ളൂ ഇവരോടോ? അച്ഛാ ഓക്കെ. എവിടെ നാട്ടിലെവിടെ?
Long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth.
We continued our trek to Kutla, located approximately at a distance of 4.5 km uphill trek from Tosh.
The bed it lay because it was grassy and wanted wet. Though as for that, the passing day had warned them really about the thing, and both that morning equally late.
ടെൻസിങ് നോർഗോ ടെൻസിങ്.
भूटान में भी हम लद्दाख के हैं लाउड
Oh, I kept the thoughts for another day.
ഓ
When highway
അച്ഛാ അച്ഛാ.
on to end, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages.
पानी ले आओ पानी जू करी इन सबको सर इधर.
One Mr. Punir Sharma, known as Panditji, started living in this isolated place 5 years ago. He invested and motivated the villager Tensing Negi, the owner of this land, to develop this place as a beautiful homestay.
Two roads towards dinner wood and night. I took the one less traveled by, and that is me.
पंडित हो सकता है फ्यूचर का.
Roads towards dinner, yellow.
ओशो आश्रम में हमारी सिटी में so I 10 steps away from my place there is a garden inside that there is a tree
And be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down.
बीटरूट कहीं से नहीं खा सकता. देखो
दिल्ली का नहीं खा सकते.
I'll take that to Bali.
कौन सा सब्जी के साथ खा सकते हैं ये वाला?
हाँ जी खा सकते हैं.
कौन सा सब्जी के साथ?
कोई भी पसंद आए. ये चटनी जी
नहीं
पास करो. ये अचार है
सब्जी टेस्टी आती है.
होममेड.
ये खाने
ഇത് സംതിങ് എക്സെപ്ഷണൽ അല്ലേ?
इधर क्या है
And be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. And took as just
better place because it was easy and lonely. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them freely about the same, and both that morning equally
इसके पास मिलेगा आपको।
आप पहले कब इधर आए थे? कितना साल पहले आए थे? आप तो पैदा भी इधर हो गए।
मैं तो यहीं पैदा हुआ हूँ, वही हो गया।
ये कॉटेज कब बनाया था?
ये कॉटेज बना था हमारा 2017 में।
अच्छा,
वो पुराना वाला मकान है दादाजी के।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
हेरिटेज कॉटेज है, बहुत पुराना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके।
टूरिज्म का हो गया, फिर बेकार लगे टूरिज्म। फिर वो लड़के बेकार बॉयज।
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ,
पंडित जी को म्यूजिक पसंद नहीं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
वैसे आप ये एक बुद्धिस्ट है या
बुद्धिस्ट
है ना?
तब तो झंडे लगे हैं इधर। ये साल में एक बार लगाते हैं हम, जिस दिन त्योहार होता है। वो देवता यहाँ आया हुआ है पहले, खुद बैठा हुआ है इस घर के अंदर। तो इस कारण से फिर प्रॉब्लम। वो भी स्टीम बॉर्डर है, वो भी बहुत पीछे से आता है, नीचे से, जमीन के नीचे से। वो तो कई साल से है। मैं छोटा सा उस टाइम क्या था, अब इतना बुढ़ा हो गया, सफेद डाली हो गया, अभी तक चला हुआ।
सर्दी में गर्म होगा,
सिल गर्म थोड़ा सा।
और
गर्मियों में इतना ठंडा होगा, आप बोलेंगे यार भैया फ्रिज से निकाल के तो नहीं लाया।
With one of my friend, I came to this old dilapidated cottage. It was 110-year-old, and the roof was made of the slate and the local rocks, and the wood was getting broken from multiple places, and this whole place was like a jungle. The grass was like this much height, around 2 feet, 3 feet high. The wild animals like wild horses and dogs and all kind of local cattle that was roaming around. So we started living in this old cottage using the rags and all. And after spending some 3-4 weeks weekends here, we decided to just renovate it. So this is the legacy of our ancestors that we decided to renovate cottage. So Katguni means Kat is lakdi, the wood, and Guni is the rocks. So these kind of cottages have very strong stability even in the best of earthquakes and all. It can withstand most of the natural calamities, and the average lifespan is about 100 years here. And gradually we had an Instagram page and web presence. So people started to contact us. They were coming here. So we installed these room size 2-3 tents here. Then once the local family got engaged with me, 2 brothers, they came and started living with me. We started collecting wood from the forest because there are a lot of fallen down trees and a lot of wood. It's getting rotten here. So we use some wood and local material to make these cottages. So these triangular cottages are chalet style cottages, can manage to stay during the winters. Very recently we got the electricity connection here, and then 6 months back we made this cottage because everyone was sitting outside and gazing the stars.
Sure.
So for stargazing we made this cottage. It's transparent cottage and the feel is very, very different. Kutla, the meaning of Kutla is abundant village. So our ancestors, they left this place because of torrential huge snowfall. Now we have come back, and more people are getting interested, and we are trying to make it a more serene, natural place for natural herbs, herbal gardens, and the legacy of Himalaya, the meditation and yoga. So that is what we are planning to promote here. I mean, should be very, very scientific. That people should eat what their body requires. So a lot of yoga, Ayurveda, farming, and the modern medicine knowledge, it should combine together. A lot of research should take place, and only then India will become Vishwaguru, or the word saying we are human beings, and there is somebody whose problem I can solve, and my problem somebody can solve. See, I came here and I got all the nutrition, and mind nutrition, body nutrition, and these local people, they got some inputs, from financial inputs or some education inputs from my side. So they enjoy my company, I enjoy their company. That is the end. I put some investment the local family decided to put after they got satisfied because they felt it is a risk. Now the investment is getting recovered. Every year my plantations are growing. I will put in more and more and more, 100 times, 1,000 times, 1 lakh times plantation. That is the real wealth. The day people will realize that plantation is the only wealth possible, the whole earth's problem will be solved. 90% of the land here is forested. Okay, so I talk to the forest. Okay, so the idea is once you start sitting in this posture, your muscles will get stronger in this region. Your spine is not getting a lot of pressure. Your old age will be damn good. And that is why it is known as Vajrasana. Vajra was the weapon, okay, which was made by Indra through Dadichi's wounds. Okay.
Right.
Now, what is heart disease? This region and this region is your heart disease. Do you know open heart surgery? Or all the strength?
Yes.
So, what is happening with age? Your arteries and veins, they are getting constricted and they are getting very, very strict and tough. So this region, the weakness of this region and this region is heart disease. You show me person, I'll tell you.
Right.
You can diagnose it even before the doctor diagnoses. Okay? Without any vibration.
Doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages.
നല്ല മെന്നിൽ പോലില്ല പോയി
Took the one less traveled by.
Two roads diverged on wood and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.